Do you often wake up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps? Or feel sudden muscle spasms after exercise? According to Barbara O'Neill and other health experts, the #1 cause behind muscle cramps is a mineral deficiency. And the good news is, it's easy to fix. The most common culprit? Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, and when your body lacks it, muscles contract involuntarily, causing cramps and spasms. Fortunately, there are natural solutions that can restore your magnesium levels and stop cramps for good. Here are the best remedies recommended by Barbara O'Neill, naturopaths, and holistic health experts. Barbara O'Neill often recommends magnesium chloride or magnesium citrate for maximum absorption. These forms help relax muscles, reduce cramps, and improve overall nerve function. For the best results, take magnesium before bed to prevent nighttime cramps. If you have trouble absorbing magnesium from food or supplements, try topical magnesium oil. Simply spray it onto your legs and massage it in. This allows direct absorption through the skin and provides fast relief. Boost your magnesium intake with leafy greens, almonds, pumpkin seeds, avocados, and dark chocolate. These foods naturally replenish magnesium levels and prevent deficiencies. Potassium, calcium, and sodium also play a role in muscle function. If you sweat a lot or drink too much water without electrolytes, you may be flushing out essential minerals. Drink coconut water or an electrolyte-rich herbal tea, like nettle or dandelion tea, to restore balance. Dehydration worsens cramps. Make sure to drink filtered water with a pinch of sea salt to retain essential minerals and keep muscles hydrated. Homeopathy offers targeted relief for muscle cramps. Cuprum metallicum is often recommended for sudden, painful cramps, while Magnesia phosphorica works well for cramps that improve with warmth. Low potassium can contribute to muscle cramps. Apple cider vinegar is rich in potassium and can quickly relieve cramps when taken with water. Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of warm water and drink daily. Barbara O'Neill suggests gentle stretching and self-massage to improve circulation and release muscle tension. Using a foam roller or applying arnica oil can also speed up recovery. By addressing magnesium deficiency and restoring your electrolyte balance, you can eliminate muscle cramps naturally and prevent them from coming back. Check out the Amazon links in the description for high-quality magnesium supplements and natural remedies. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.